walk-in rate? Because I got it from Agoda. What if I come at your
1,800, sir, per night.
Same.
So,
I paid same, I think. I paid same. How much
because
is
the
it?
Agoda is 2,000,
No.
2,175.
No, I paid 1,800, something like that.
Maybe they offer you like
Yeah, they know me. You
discount.
know, yeah, my uncle works here.
Sometimes the Agoda like that. 2 rooms, discount,
Oh, okay.
offer
So
you.
yours is 1.8 anyway, so
Guys,
okay. Any good by the
back
pool?
I guess.
Do you have any here? Yeah.
Naama to.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You bring the cards, right?
Yeah.
This is our soon to open restaurant, sir.
Soon to open.
When
Ah.
open?
Maybe next month, next month.
I'm
Ah.
definitely here next month. So right now no food. Cannot order? No food.
Yeah. Some guests go out and
Yeah.
order food like in the famous restaurant here.
Yes. I know. I've been there.
Mm.
I've been there before. Okay.
So this is our trailer, sir. You can put drinks. If your drinks want to be cold, you can put it here.
Oh.
And also the dispenser, sir.
Dispenser is here?
The cold one and the hot one.
Oh, where's the cup? In the room?
Yeah, in the room. Then you
So walang ref
So
sa
in
room
the
namin.
room? In the room no rest?
Ah.
no ref, no TV, and no
Oh, no TV also? What?
because this resort is a newly opened.
Oh yeah?
I
That's why
see.
they are still cooking
Yeah,
up
yeah, still.
some.
Oh, this is newly opened.
Yeah, sir. This is
They just opened probably this month lang ba o last month?
last January, ma'am.
Last January. So that's why they don't have TV. No ref inside.
You can sit outside. Your water smells. So you're the one who'll be cleaning the room?
Yes, sir.
You're the one who'll be coming.
All this room.
All this side or all?
Inside and outside
You?
cleaning room.
You only. All.
We are two, and
good.
the one is day off 2 days.
What happened to your trouser? Dog bite? Dog?
Sana lang din mapansin. Just
Oh
design,
my God,
style.
look at my design.
It's
This design more nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
like
Yeah. Anything you ask for, yeah.
That's the Filipino thing.
Now
Yeah.
listen, I know you said no TV, no ref. What about aircon? I know I hear otherwise I was gonna say I going. I cannot be in a. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's good.
Here's your case, sir.
Okay. Now they said there is no bathtub also because they said that they have bathtub also.
These are only the CR, sir. And
No
but
bathtub.
you
Just
can
lie
take
down
a
out.
bath here.
Mhm.
Then as I see, sir, this is the picture. You can refill the water.
Oh, okay. We have to get it from there.
Yeah.
I see.
So this is our main gate mascot, ma'am. You can take
Wi-Fi?
picture. And
Yeah.
yes, sir. We have the
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi voucher here.
Okay.
You can take picture, sir, if you plan to go out night because
Yeah.
the gate 7 to 8 will close.
May lock siya.
We have no duty for guard.
No, night time. What time it was?
7, 8 p.m. 7 to 8 p.m.
Really?
So it has a lock. We need to remember the password.
You need to take picture, sir.
Okay, this picture.
Yeah.
What is the password? Oh, this one.
This one, sir.
7296. So there's a ding 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 ding. No, you have to hit the number on the gate.
The lock.
Yeah, the lock.
The lock.
Oh, it's the lock. Oh, it's
Yeah.
not digital.
This is not digital.
So nighttime the lock. If I cannot see the number, I stay outside then, huh? I cannot come in. Okay. It is what it is.
I remember.
So take
I
a
will take
picture. No, take a picture anyway, because you're gonna carry your phone.
Yeah.
And the Wi-Fi is here. Okay.
Also, sir, this one,
Yeah.
if you want your room clean,
Okay.
makeup room,
Okay.
around 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning.
Only in the morning.
You can hang it outside, hang, and also there are some room rules.
Room rules. Cannot sleep together, they said.
Room rules.
This one, sir, it's put here.
May I get it from you? I can read it. To help Mother Earth, please turn off the AC faucet lights when you leave the room. Okay. Makeup room is okay. Register guests only allowed. Smoking is allowed without smoke. Please take care of the towels and linens. What do you want me to take care? Like this? Or guests will be charged. We are going to use.
Yeah.
Guests will be charged 1,000 peso for any damaged towel, and I can buy 100 peso each towel. In Manila, if you go to, some certain places. Okay, check out 12 o'clock. Pets are not allowed. Water refill is available. Okay, swimming pool up to 9. For further assistance, please talk to, I don't know what's your name.
I'm Maria Maisa, sir. Maisa.
Maisa.
Maisa. And you can also, if you have some inquiries, Ma'am G. She is the receptionist here, and I'm a room attendant.
Okay.
We are just three. The three of us here.
Three lang? All of this you handle?
No. It's only 3, because there's another one she said.
Yeah, she clean outside, she clean also the room.
Okay.
All of this.
Morning, mop the floor outside, mop.
Okay.
Then also the swimming pool, mop.
Oh.
Oh, you get that.
But why is this window open when there's AC on?
Oh yeah. So you need to start taking care of the AC.
You see your rules, we wasting AC, you wasting AC. It's supposed to.
Now you're the one's gonna complain.
Yeah. You're supposed to close this so that it stays cool.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, apologies accepted. But listen, this doesn't even close all the way. It's gonna stay like this. Look, you stay like this. It doesn't close all the way.
Oh God, it's like this now.
All right.
Okay.
As long as the AC works, as long as the aircon works. Oh, so sometimes
So yeah, so we just reached here at Bohol Panglao. So right now we are walking, looking for place to eat. We don't know. We don't know what we're gonna eat. Whatever we're gonna see, right, my love?
you want rice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
I mean, it depends.
You can eat what you want.
If we'll see that Indian food, then probably with bread.
That's why we decided to walk. Barabar? Okay.
Yeah.
Walk a little bit. That's why we decided to walk so that we can see ourselves, explore what kind of restaurants they have.
Good thing it's not hot.
Yeah, right now it's okay. The sun is
Yeah.
down.
So it's quiet. Quiet this
Yeah.
place. Can walk. So yeah, so this is the Meso restaurant that we've been last time. Yeah. Meso restaurant.
The mist.
Mystery.
It's like a horror movie, The Mist. And where is the name? You believe that? It's so popular they don't want to have a name on it now.
Yeah. Oh, they also have hotel, this one.
Remember the last
They have hotel, Amoli.
we can check. What's the name?
Moli.
Molly.
Yeah.
You can ask them. Come.
Moli
Don't be shy.
restaurant.
You can see how much is it.
No, Moli Mess restaurant and Moli hotel. So habang naglalakad tayo, ayan, nakita namin tong si Moli Hotel. So titingnan lang natin guys kung magkano ang rate nila.
Walking by and see this place. How much is the room for the night over here? Okay. What's the rate?
Ground floor, sir. This is 500,000.
Okay. And
The second floor, full view, is 4,500 with breakfast.
this is a part of this restaurant? Yes? No. You guys are a part of that?
Their company.
Because we've been here a couple of years ago, and I think this was under renovation, doing something 2-3 years ago. I think so, because I don't remember this year. All right. We just reached here today, so we're going to.
How much per day?
Ground floor is 5,500, right? And the first floor or whatever you call it is 4,500, right?
Mm.
We call it 45.
That's in,
4,500.
that's include breakfast.
Including breakfast for two.
Okay.
So breakfast is where? Here?
Ah.
Breakfast is in the mesa. A buffet, yeah? So let's say if you don't stay here, then how much is the buffet for breakfast? Any idea? No, breakfast is only for the guests? Really? So if you walk in, no. So
Oh.
breakfast is only for the guests, but lunch and dinner of course.
Mm.
Okay, okay, alright, thank you.
Pwede, may available naman, pwede makita. Fully booked. They are fully booked. So they cannot show us. So maybe
Okay.
next time,
Yeah, alright. Thank you, Doc.
Molly.
Okay, thanks. Yep. Of course. We just came here, just staying next door. M.
Alona M.
Alona M.
Hi guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, in today's video guys, we are here at Bohol, Panglao. And it's around 4, 4 something, like going to 5 o'clock, going to 5 p.m. So we are walking, going to the beach, Alona Beach. Just gonna chill there. So yeah, so from our hotel to Alona Beach, it's like 10 to 15 minutes.
Maybe 15, 20. The
Okay.
way we walking slow.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Yeah. So we're just gonna walk. But you can also get the e-trike or tricycle, and it's
They're
100.
everywhere.
They charge you 100 pesos. They're everywhere. You know the good things that I like here in Bohol is
Yeah.
whenever you ask them how much, they're gonna say, reasonable price.
We don't know yet. We only in this area. Because
Same. Oh, I'm talking about here. I'm not talking about from airport.
no, I know, but what I'm saying is we are going local, which is a very short distance. You know?
Yeah.
So how much more can they ask you? You understand? If
The
this
last
is
time
Manila,
also.
this is even 70 peso.
The last time also is
Yeah, they all like
same
100
price,
peso,
800 peso.
Yeah.
Every time we ride.
No, what I'm saying is for this short ride.
Okay. Look, this is the Chinese restaurant that we been yesterday. We had our lunch and we like the food. The quantity is good and the food tastes good. You guys, if you are coming in Bohol, you should try this restaurant as well. It's very nice. Good restaurant. It's a Chinese restaurant. So yeah, so we're just gonna walk. It's pretty hot, guys. So this one, what is this? Each
Spices.
spices, oh yeah.
Spices is a bar. I don't know if it's functional or not.
Yeah, I don't know if open or closed. Probably they are open, and this one across is Tong Dak King foot massage. It's foot massage, and there are construction going on. So this is what they have. So let's keep walking. What is this one? Kubad Kubadunga. Yes, another hotel. Kubadunga. That's Ninja Izakaya.
Raya.
This one is Lona Rosa. It's a restaurant. And what Thai massage. So there's another massage spa. Wait. Can I have napkin? Can I have? So this is napkin. This is the prices of this massage, not Thai massage. 600 1 hour for Thai body massage. They also have foot massage and Swedish massage. They're all the same price.
900.
It's very hot. Oh my God.
Yeah, it is hot.
I feel like I wanted to jump in the ocean.
No, baby, don't jump. Take it easy, baby. Take it easy. You should have brought it, you know. You want to go? Bring it. You want to go in the pool?
I can go like this, it's okay. Tiger foot spa massage. Okay.
That hotel is somewhere over there.
Oh yeah, just close. Ooh, I like this durian talaga. Teasing me this durian, Jano.
Eat now then.
I will bring there.
Oh, no, not in the beach. I don't know if they're going to allow you.
Think so?
Yeah, very stinky.
I will eat while walking? No.
Then you cannot make vlog.
Yeah.
This is
Durian. Pilang kilo ya sa durian? 200 kilo? 200 per kilo. Durian. Oh, they have also jackfruit.
Oh, there are a lot of things.
100 ang kilo?
I like that too. So we going this way
Yeah.
and no refrigerator.
Wala abli, kana lang ablihan pa. Ah,
Maybe just get one piece like this. Get like this.
only 150.
Yeah, just get that. It's only for you. This is fresh, right? Good?
Unsa to bawal kung magkaon og kuan? Kung mainom og kuan, alcohol.
Okay ra ba sa dugay? Kana lang, example, ikaw sana dugay. Pila ka awa, laman mo.
Okay, mainom ang koron.
Alcohol dito. Awal mo na. Bukan mo na. Mura mo na siya sa fruit. Mura na di man. Kami ko daw mo kapan ni. Ano dugay, mulutan niya ba?
Wala man?
Totoo ra
So,
na.
safe pa na. Mama pa wala dunggan pud sa una pa.
Totoo ra mo na.
Okay, taway na ko.
High blood doon, bawal.
Kanina lang.
High blood bawal. Yeah?
Blood.
Kani.
No. Oh, for high blood no good, he said.
Yeah. You're not gonna eat anyway.
No, I'm not going to eat, but I'm just saying. I didn't
150
know. Yeah?
for that one.
I see what time they close. I want to buy the other fruit.
Jackpot this one.
Yes, fruit, yeah.
See that?
Oh, it's so big though. What time you
Unsa
close?
mo asa magkuan close?
9.
O 9. So we will come back later. Balik na lang miyon niya pag uli. Agi mi diri.
They have small
Agi na lang
jackfruit.
miyon niya. Kay 9 pa man mag-close, no? Oh, diyan no kanyo hold phone.
I got to pay.
150. So this is the coconut. That's the coconut. And that's the
When you look my way, it gave me shiver. It's like I've waited all